Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. First off, I just want to say if the lighting isn't looking that great, I'm sorry. I'm currently filming this at 8:30 in the evening because I've been at work all day and looking after my son in the evening, and I just really wanted to sit down and record a video for you guys this evening. It's been a while since I have uploaded anything, and if you are already a subscriber then you'll be used to me taking long gaps between filming videos. I am sorry about that, but I feel like I just want to be back and present and making good content for you guys. I'm trying to focus my channel on cleaning, so they're the videos that I find most interesting to film, and even though I love filming my day in the life vlogs, they are quite lengthy. And I have recently got a new job working in an office, Monday to Friday, basically like 9 to 5 sort of hours, and I just want to have my weekends with my little boy and be really in the moment and be present with him. So I'm going to try and make this channel and focus it on cleaning. So I thought, what better video to film for you guys than a mini cleaning Hinch haul, I think they call them, and I'm going to sort of entwine it with another video and make it a video of my favourite cleaning products. So I've been to Sainsbury's this evening. I had to go and pick up a few bits, and George needed some milk, which if you have a toddler you know is a very important necessity, and I thought I would just pick up some products and show you guys because obviously if I'm going to be starting to clean a lot more on the channel, I'm going to need all the products to do it with. So before we get into the video, if you do enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and yeah, let's get into today's video. Okay, so the first product then that I want to talk about is an all-time favourite product of mine, and that is the Pink Stuff. And the Pink Stuff is made by Star Drops, and it is just by far my most favourite product in the world. So the Pink Stuff is a cleaner that can basically clean any stains, rust, grease, grime, and just cuts through it so incredibly well. I've actually done a video on 8 ways on how to use the Pink Stuff, so I will link that up here and I'll put it down below as well. So if you guys want to go and check that out, you can. But yeah, like I said, it can be used for pretty much everything. And then also Pink Stuff have actually made some other products to go sort of like with it or alongside it as well. So half of it just went down my dress, and I'm not exactly sure why. Okay, so it turns out that the lid is broken on this. It is actually snapped and it has gone all down my dress and all on my carpet. Luckily it's not going to stain, but it just smells not very nice in my bedroom. But this is the Pink Stuff spray. It is a multi-purpose cleaner, and it is really good at doing things like my hob, and it just makes everything really streak free. It cuts through grease and grime really easily, just like the paste, but it's much better for your kitchen, for surfaces and things like that. And then the next product is something that I've never tried. I've seen it on other YouTube videos, and that is the Pink Stuff Miracle Cream Cleaner. And I'm guessing this is going to be quite similar to the Cif Miracle Cream Cleaner that I already use. And I use that on things like my hob, my draining board, taps, plugs and things like that. Not like electrical plugs or sink plugs, just places where it can look a bit greasy and grimy. The Cif creamer works really well cutting through it, so I'm going to try and use this Pink Stuff and see if it works just as well. And this was £1, this was £1, and the spray was also £1 as well, and they last a really long time. Now the next product I picked up was this Method, I'm not sure if you can see it very well here, and it's the Method Rhubarb Cleaner, and this is an anti-bac all-purpose cleaner, and I got it in the scent Wild Rhubarb. They do so many scents, and these just smell insane. And I also do have a bathroom one which is in the eucalyptus scent, and I also have a kitchen one as well which is in the grapefruit scent, and as you can see it is pretty much verging on being finished. This one's got like, I don't know, half a bottle left. But these products, they are a bit more expensive than your average multi-purpose cleaner. These are around £3 a bottle, but they probably last 3 times as long as a normal bottle that would cost £1. And I just find that they work so much better than other purpose cleaners. So I would definitely recommend giving this a try. I use this on everything: my kitchen cupboards, my kitchen sides, the hob, sink, pretty much anything, you name it, I use this for that. And the bathroom one, again, very similar. I pretty much use it everywhere in my bathroom, and they are just really good products. I think they're really good value for money, and they smell amazing. I would definitely recommend getting the grapefruit flavour because that is my all-time favourite scent. And like I say, I've picked up the wild rhubarb one, which I've never tried, but I've heard lots of people raving about how good it smells, so I'm looking forward to trying this. Next product I picked up was a new bleach, and I picked up the Harpic Active Fresh. I'm really sorry if you can't see properly because of the light from the window, but this is the Harpic Active Fresh, and this is in the Mountain Pine scent. Now I think Mrs Hinch uses this. I've seen this on her channel and she raves about it, of how good it smells and how well it cleans her toilet. So I saw this in the shop and I thought I would pick this up. I do actually use Harpic, but I have the black bottle downstairs already. So when I was in Sainsbury's, I thought I would pick up the green bottle. This was only £1. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try. It says it's long lasting, freshness. So we'll see. Like I said, it was £1, but yeah, I've never used it, so I'll let you guys know what I think once I've actually used it. So the next product then I've picked up is this Febreze, and this was actually on offer at the moment. If you guys are wondering, I got all of this from Sainsbury's. This was originally £3.50 in Sainsbury's, down to £2, so I picked up a couple of these. So this is the Febreze Fabric Refresher, and I got this in the scent Cotton Fresh. I haven't actually used this much in the past. I picked it up a couple of times, but I haven't actually been using it, and you can use this on pretty much all fabrics in your house. I would just check that the fabric that you're using it on is compatible with this, and maybe like patch test it first. I don't want you to spray it all over your curtains and then your curtains are stained, but it's really good for spraying on bedding, curtains. I like to, once I strip my bed and when I wash my bedding, I like to spray it over the pillows and the mattresses just to freshen it up a little bit, and I do that for mine and George's bed as well. But it's just a really lovely, refreshing cleaning product, I guess, to just make all of your fabrics in your house, sofas, carpets, yeah, like I said, pretty much anything, just to make everything smell super fresh. Now the next thing I picked up is one of these flash bleach sprays, and I feel like this is just a necessity in any kitchen cupboard. In the cleaning one, you just have to have one of these, and this is £1, which again is just such a good price because they last a really long time and it really does cut well through grease and grime. Again, I mean, I've said this for pretty much most of the products, so I would use this on the hob, on surfaces. If I've like used, I don't know, if I've cut chicken or something, I would use this. And it's also good for getting rid of any rust. I've got this stupid, at the time I thought it was a really good idea. I bought like a wire copper basket to go in the bathroom to put all my products in, and it has made a big rusty stain, but this works amazingly at getting rid of those stains which are on the tiles. So yeah, sorry, I feel like I have a really sore throat coming, which I have no idea where that came from. I feel like my voice has just gone really deep. But yeah, this is a really good product, something that I always have, and I've actually got 2 of these downstairs in the cupboard already because I just feel like you can't have enough of these. And as you can see, it was only £1. Next product then that I picked up was some more Windoline. I love Windoline. I use this on my windows, my conservatory windows. I like to use this on the like shower glass door, I guess that's what it's called. I mean, it's not a door, but the bit of glass that stops all the water from coming out. And I like to use this with a squeegee, so I will use this on most of my windows, spray it on the windows, sorry, use a microfiber cloth to clean it off, and then I like to use my squeegee to scrape all the residue off. But yeah, this is great. It leaves everything really streak free, and it's also got added vinegar in there as well. And vinegar is just really good at getting rid of any streaks and leaving everything super shiny and clean. But this is quite a large bottle. This was £1.75, and it's probably going to last me for a good couple of months, I think, before I need to buy another bottle. So the next product I picked up are these Lenore In Wash Scent Boosters, and these are incredible. I couldn't recommend them enough. I picked these up in Ruby Jasmine, but they have so many different flavours, and I've already got a couple of bottles downstairs, and they're really cool. They come with like I don't know, holes in the top, I guess, and you just squeeze the bottle and you can smell how nice the scent is. But these just make your clothes smell beautiful. Sometimes I use this alongside softener, sometimes I don't, depending on what I'm washing. But just a small capful of the scent boosters in like an entire 7 kg wash, my wash machine's 7 kilograms, can just make your clothes smell beautiful. And these are actually on offer at the moment in Sainsbury's. I think they're from £4 down to £3, so I would definitely recommend going out and grabbing a bottle of these. It is definitely worth it. The next couple of things then that I picked up was some more Sofloras, and Sofloras are a necessity in my house. So I picked up the Midnight Bloom bottle, and I also got the Linen Fresh one as well. And what I like to do with these, a couple of things. I like to dilute it in a bottle with some water and use it as a disinfectant around things to, I don't know, clean high chairs, clean surfaces, just clean general things around the house. And I also love to pop a capful of this in a sink in the evening. So I'll do it in my kitchen sink and also my bathroom sink, but I will just fill the sinks up with hot boiling water, pour a capful of Soflora into the sink, and it just makes the house smell beautiful. When you wake up in the morning, the house just smells amazing, where the steam has just carried the scent of the Soflora. I'd like to get a couple more scents of these, because these are the only 2 scents I have. I did have the mandarin and lime one before, and that smelled really good, but I'm looking forward to trying this one. Never tried this, but I've had this one before. But these were £1.20 each in Sainsbury's. So the last thing then that I have got is this Cif Perfect Finish stainless steel, and this is 100% streak-free shine again. My camera battery is flashing, so if it dies I'm gonna have to charge it for a bit and then come back. But this is by Cif, and this is, again, I keep saying this about all my products, but this is another one of my favourite products that I just couldn't be without in my cleaning routine. And I use this on my draining board and my taps. It just leaves them really, really shiny, sparkling clean. Use it on my shower as well, actually. But it's just amazing for having really, really shiny taps, and that is just something that I love because I am that sad. So that is everything then that I picked up from Sainsbury's, and also all of my favourite products at the moment as well. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye.
That my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you.